Ocean acidification. Why should we care?
What is ocean acidification? Ocean acidification is what occurs when the water in the ocean bonds with the carbon dioxide in the air. This can cause many adverse effects to the ocean environment.
This increase in carbon is the fault of human activity. A portion of the carbon released into the atmosphere is absorbed into the ocean, which creates a carbon sink. As the carbon dioxide is stored within the ocean, it breaks down and combines with the seawater, creating carbonic acid.
After a while, carbonic acid breaks down into bicarbonate and hydrogen ions. The newly released hydrogen ions then react to the carbonate molecules in coral and shellfish. This significantly harms shell growth and reproduction, and will eventually lead to disintegration. It also reduces metabolic rates in jumbo squid, decreases the immune responses of blue mussels, and makes it more difficult for juvenile clownfish to distinguish the scents of predators and non-predators.
How carbon gets into the air. Fossil fuels are stored energy in the form of pure carbon. When they are burned, they release this carbon in massive amounts, which goes into the air and the water. The burning of fossil fuels is especially bad because the carbon has been outside of the carbon cycle for so long that its impact is greatly increased.
Coal is formed when solid matter, like trees and sediment, are trapped under pressure for millions of years.
Oil is formed from algae in prehistoric swamps. When it decomposes, it is put under pressure from more falling algae and sediment. After millions of years, this pressure forms pure carbon.
As we know, when organic matter decays and fossil fuels are burned, they release embedded carbon into the atmosphere. Some is absorbed into the ocean, creating a carbon sink. This lowers the amount of CO2 in the air, but the ocean can only hold so much carbon. This will cause the ocean to acidify, creating an environment that cannot support life.
If efforts are not made to reverse ocean acidification, then we will cause irreparable damage to our environment.